this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a Fortnite YouTube channel banner that you can use on YouTube. So you can use an app for this. It's very good, called Canva Design. Okay, you can get this from any app store. So I have it already, so I'm going to find it on my phone quick. That's Canva. I'm going to load it up. Okay, so where it says search templates, you just want to type YouTube channel banner. There it is. Click on channel banner. Now you want to find something that's gaming. Okay, so these are all templates that you can edit. This one looks pretty good, this green one, so I'll click onto that. Okay, so this one looks pretty decent actually. So where it says gaming, I'm just going to change this. Still have a channel name. Okay, so I'm going to type Fort. Now, just as an example, if it's too big, okay, I'll click out of it, click on the text. You can change make it smaller. Okay, make it slightly bigger. Okay, that looks good. Fortnite channel. Okay, so button, click on elements, and there where it says search elements, I'm going to type, see if they've got anything. Fortnite. Okay, Fortnite logo, Fortnite gun, Fortnite dance. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, so this is all Fortnite stuff. Click on see all. This one looks pretty good, so I'm going to take this and then I'm just going to make it smaller, and then you can put different ones. It's a bit too small now. Let me just delete it. Elements, put it back like that, and then put it somewhere there. You can get another one. So I'll go back, click on elements. Let me choose this XP one, looks good, but that's black, so I'll delete it. Do it again, elements, the Fortnite logo, that's pretty good. So I'll put that there, and you can just put like two there. And then once you've edited your channel banner, you can just click on the download button there. I'll just save it to your phone. Okay, then you go back and then exit out of that and go to your gallery, and it will be there. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to this channel.